My name is Ntsikwane. I'm a singer, songwriter, guitarist, and today we are at the State Theatre. I'm finalizing the recording of my album. The title of the album is Lesedi. These are songs that I wrote over the past 3 years. I think a lot of us, our lives had changed prior to 2020. So most of the content in the album is my experience during the shift that we've had in the world, basically, not only in South Africa. Lesedi actually is a song specifically that I wrote about the way things fell apart for all of us in the entertainment industry. It says, the chorus says, Lesedi lietla, which is something that I used as inspiration and encouragement to myself to say, regardless of what's happening right now, things are gonna come right. There is light at the end of the tunnel. So my hope for this album is really for people to find comfort in it, to see that things fall apart to come back together in a different way, in a better way, maybe in an even more beneficial way than they would have before they fell apart. So today is the final day for backing vocals, lead vocals. So basically we are arranging the music so that we can send it off for mixing and mastering. On production I have Mr. Zakhele Mabena, who will be helping me finalize the album. He's the one that musically directed the album in the live recording. So yeah, I'm excited. I'm excited to be here, to have music out, new music out. It's been 8 years. My last album was 2013. And I think I'm ready and people are ready. They've been asking me, and I wanted the music to come from a different place. With the previous album, a lot of it was other people's experiences, and a lot of it was me just finding myself. The title of that album was The Soul Experiment. So I was experimenting with different sounds. So with this album, Lesedi, I feel that I've found the sound. I have found, and I've also found me. As an artist, as you find yourself, it affects your music, it affects your outlook on life. And that's really what music is about. We are writing about our outlook, our experiences. So I really hope you enjoy this album. It's going to be great.
Hi, my name is Zakhele Mabena. I'm a music producer, I'm a composer, I'm a art practitioner, basically. So I'm producing the album Lesedi by Ntsikwane. It's a very soulful album and more high. It's so Afrocentric. It's full of the energy of our soil. When you're listening to the music, you can't help it but connect with our past, our present, and our future. What I like about the music is that it's so original and it's so organic. So we're using live band, bassist, the drummer, and 2 guitars. And the process of production is so interesting that the music actually directs us. It tells us what it wants more than what we think we know. You know, at times you want to explore with this and that, or you think this is the formula, I've done this, you know, this is, but you find that some other things the music just rejects. So that's why I say it connects with our soil. You know, it's an African sound. So I think when the person listens to music or identify alone because of it comes from the heart. You know, I've been privileged to work with Ntsikwane from the first album, and looking at her first offering compared to this now it has story. And the story, it's a journey. It's there's sad moments, there's happy moments. There's where you feel like the song is encouraging. So it takes you through different emotions, different times, and it actually highlights her as a diva she is. So yeah, it's just amazing. It's just amazing. It's an overwhelming experience, and just the energy from the people that we are working with, the band, Ponyiko, Tato, Kelvin, Tulani, Wipilo. It's just an amazing energy. You can't trade that for anything. It's priceless. None of us can afford that.